Hi everyone. In the previous video, we have learned that how we can use OR operator and AND operator to form a complex SQL query. In this video, I'll just give you a brief idea that how the order of execution or what is the order of preferences. So first, if you give a condition inside the bracket, that bracket condition or that bracket wala condition will be evaluated first, right? And then if you have a condition with NOT operator, then second preference will be given to the NOT operator, and then if you have the AND operator, that will be calculated, and at the last, if you have given any condition with OR operator, that will be executed. Now if you're giving a condition with OR operator without any bracket, that will be getting the preferences as last. But remember one thing, whatever you have written inside the bracket, that will be evaluated first. So this is what the order of preferences. If somebody asks you in the interview, you should be having a better idea about it. Thank you so much for watching.